We just finished remodeling this home in Christiansburg, Virginia. I think it's a great price for a totally remodeled home in this area on an acre lot. I'm gonna show you the finished product now. Now, I love feedback, good and bad, so please, in the comments, let me know what you think. Before we go inside, let's check out the outside. New roof, new gutters, new landscaping, painted porch, brand new concrete sidewalk. The front might look good, but the backyard is what's awesome. Back here, there's a huge back deck, a shed with its own little patio, and then I think this is the biggest yard in the town of Christiansburg on the market. Hopefully you can see it well. It is completely fenced in. I'm gonna go all the way on the other side and take a shot from that way back towards the house. Okay, I'm all the way at the other side of the yard. If you got dogs, they would absolutely love this space, or kids, or anything else. It's just a great yard back here. All right, time to go inside. Everything inside this house is completely brand new. And I'm gonna show you the whole thing, so don't forget to let me know what you think. Starting off with my favorite part of this home, this huge kitchen. Quick rundown of the kitchen. Brand new white shaker, slow close cabinets, butcher block countertops, stainless steel appliances, ceramic backsplash, under cabinet lighting, super deep sink with a window overlooking your huge backyard. Pause the video and please let me know what you think of this kitchen. Moving on, we got a large dining room space with new chandelier. I should mention every light fixture in this home is new. It flows into this massive living room. It's one of two, but it's not just any living room. It goes out onto that back deck, but it also has this beautiful fireplace that we've completely redone. We've got tile down here and then herringbone tile all the way around. I just think that looks really cool. It pops and it makes this space just neat. So pause the video and let me know, did we go overboard on this fireplace? There's 2 bathrooms in this house. Let me show you those. Now, we did not cheap out when it comes to the bathrooms. This is the hall bathroom. New vanity, mirror, you know, the works. But here we have brand new tile surround. I think that color combination looks awesome. Let me know what you think of the nook. And of course, brand new John. The real beauty, as far as bathrooms go, is in this master bathroom. This thing turned out awesome. Before I forget, here's the other living room. There's my muddy boots. That's where you would come in the house from the front. The home has 3 bedrooms, all with closets. This is the master, and you can see it has a extremely large closet space here. We got some closet organizers in here already. Quickly, here's the 2nd bedroom. As you can see, this one has a true closet as well. Lastly, here's the 3rd bedroom. This one has a bit more closet space than that last one. We did go with carpet in all 3 of these bedrooms. I personally think it's way more cozy to have carpet in the bedrooms. Let me know if you think that was the right move or not. The home does have its own dedicated laundry space as well. I should also mention it has a heat pump for air and heat. I'll post a link to this listing in the comments. It will have all the information regarding the sale of this home as well as professional pictures. Now for what you've all been waiting for, the price. $229,900 will get you this home. Quick recap, brand new everything in this house. Shed, huge back porch, front porch, paved driveway, carport, massive yard, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, heat pump, beautiful tile fireplace, and an awesome area of Christiansburg. If you'd rather call or text someone about purchasing this house, then text my dad, 540-777-7000. We also need more houses to renovate and sell, so please text me if you know someone who needs to sell a house. My number is 540-527-2000. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good one.